Show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm not done.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be doing a little self-care night slash day. I did my nails and I washed my scalp from these braids because girl, they was itching. And I gave you guys a little shower routine as well as some skincare. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I had a lot of fun filming this video. Long, but I had fun filming this video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on into this relaxing self-care night.
It's about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. They won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
Hey y'all, so we're in the bathroom now and I am ready to do my self-care body care. So I did my nails. Don't look too hard, they're cute enough for me. Hey, I'm not a professional, okay? So I want to start off in the shower with shower routine. It's gonna be like a little mini everything shower routine. I want to wash my braids because they are so crusty. I don't know if y'all can see. Can y'all see? I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing in here, okay? So I'm going to take this out, and I waited till today to do this so I have time to do it. So I don't want to wash my whole head, but I feel like I might have to do that just because, you know, you can see it's not sticking together or it's not getting matted, but I kind of just want to wash it because it just doesn't look like it has a lot of life like it used to. But I will focus on that part in the shower. I want to focus on the scalp outside the shower. So I'm gonna put this side up. So I have a spray bottle and I'm gonna put some water and my shampoo in it. Now, it's a bug in here, bro. Get out. This is my shampoo bottle. This actually has the Miel Rosemary Mint shampoo in it, and I wanted to have one that was cleansing as well as moisturizing just because my scalp is dry. I didn't want to do a clarifying shampoo, so we're gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna spray inside my scalp and try to work that shampoo in.
Don't treat me like a fool now, oh baby. Baby girl, I know be you now. Go sorry, now me be one for you now. See every morning, every night, every day, oh my baby.
This the real one, baby.
I'm telling you,
Chi-town stand up.
Okay, so now that I just did all of that and I made sure I scrubbed it and rubbed it in and got my edges and whatnot, we're going to head into the shower for the shower routine and we'll get this washed out.
never give enough. It's sweet and just now as much as true. You make me my addiction, my addiction. I can barely move, but I like it, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so shower's done, scalp is washed. I'm gonna get my blow dryer out and my diffuser. I really only did my scalp just because that's what needed it the most. I have 2 oils that I got from the beauty supply store. These 2. This one's supposed to be like an anti-itch one. Didn't really do the ends of the hair, just my scalp. And it honestly feels so much better. The hair does too. Like, some of it did get wet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this oil on my scalp.
You say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. I know it is selfish.
It's already getting shiny. I'm gonna put the mousse on it now and blow dry it some. This is the mousse that I use. It's the Braid formula setting mousse.
I'm desperate, getting all in and falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on the back, all of it, you last. Like, is you coming home? Did you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them draws. Give me what I want. My man is your man. Hurt is her man too. My man is your man. Hurt, that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm in the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that.
Alright, so it's basically dry. My blow dryer dries your hair fast, and it's actually kind of scary because that heat. It's still a little frizzy over here, but that's okay. This side, not so much. And then I put that mousse in there so it kind of like curled up some more. I like it. I think next time I get this style, because I'm gonna get it again, I'm gonna get like less hair. But now that the curls have kind of fell, it's not as poofy, but it still looks cute. So I want to dermaplan my face because it definitely needs it, because my mustache is growing in, girl, and it's not cute. This pimple, I thought it was going away, but I guess it decided to stay. You know, see this dermaplaner kit. I got it from Ulta. I'll try to link it down below. And then this Bye Bye makeup from It Cosmetics. This is a oil. It's a makeup removing balm, and I don't like it for anything but doing my face. So
how you feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know I still feel for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. You need a cruise on a riddle. Oh, wow, that's just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby bitch. Tell me love her till the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her till the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she West Coast. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Valley girl, she West Coast. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know.
I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna use the La Roche-Posay. I think it's F.A. Clar. medicated gel cleanser. This has salicylic acid in it, and the thing is, like, I was using Curology and this one has salicylic acid in it too, so I was like, paying $116 for this is not even full for real, and I'm paying $16 for this. Cancel that subscription. Honestly, my skin looks so much better, very clear, but this this one like hurts so bad. So I got this Cairo rubber soothing mask from Sephora. I always wanted to try one of these. So this one is cooling and it's supposed to like calm your skin. That's why I got it, because usually after this I do a mask, but it's not like a calming mask. You apply this first to your face and then you put the mask on. I was expecting it to be clear, but it is like jelly-like. Oh, it is jelly-like. Alright y'all, so it's been the 40 minutes. You can do 30 or 40 minutes. So it's actually starting to come off now. Just supposed to rub in the serum now. Definitely really cooling. Really cooling. It feels good though. My skin looks really good. I'm gonna go in with my Kosas Plump and Juicy Vegan Collagen Spray. And then I'm gonna go in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid. This is literally like low-key giving glass skin. And then for moisturizer, I'm going in with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Moisturizer. Y'all know I've been using this for years. Can y'all tell? I'm literally so ready to go to bed, because I am. Very plump, giving glass. Skin is skinning. I'm gonna apply some pimple patches. I really like this mask. Like, I definitely, if I could save it, I would. Or last thing, if you saw my maintenance video, I got a lash lift and it was the dumbest thing I could have ever done. The dumbest. I don't know if y'all can tell now, but I mean, they're still kind of lifted, but it was just so stupid and I will never do that again. So anyway, I picked up a lash serum. This is by The Ordinary. Their multi-peptide lash and brow serum. I obviously don't need anything done to my brows. This was $11 at Sephora. And I knew I just needed a serum because I was using vitamin E oil for my lashes and it just kept getting in my eyes and irritating them. It's a little, I've honestly never used a lash serum before, but it doesn't have a smell. It says just to wipe it along your lash line, so. Skincare is done. It's like almost 2 a.m. so it's time for me to go to bed. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for joining me on this little self-care night. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys like videos like this, let me know down below. I'm gonna have everything listed down below in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check them out or purchase them. I do make a small commission off of them, so if you don't want to use my link, you don't have to. But if you do, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.